got a little tick.
That's fine.
You don't hear that?
No, I do it. It's fine though.
Oh.
It's good.
Oh, what the F?
Dude, you almost hurt our skid steer bucket.
Oh my gosh, no! It's all right. I'd say it came up pretty good for hitting a bucket. Is this thing smoking a bit more than last year? God, this is just the best car. I swear, it's the least expected vehicles that end up just being our favorites.
This thing has been through damn near a year of Evan and it's still running.